I have OPPO AX7 and let me show you top tricks on the following device. So first of all, let me start with the smart protection. Let's here find and select the settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose here security. Then let's here use protect personal information. And in order to use the smart protection, let's use the switcher, tap turn on, and now when an app will try to read the personal information, the system will show you the warning, so you will avoid the real leak of the information, so everything will be protected. Now let's go back, let's go for the second trick. So let me show you here the kids space. So here in security, let's use kids space right here. Here you can choose the duration, apps allowed. So let me, for example, allow my kid to use the YouTube right here. Let's go back, and now let's choose enter kid space, tap turn on. Of course you need to set the lock screen password, so let's just use some lock screen password. You have to do it twice just for confirmation, and that's it. So here we've got the kid space. You can only use the YouTube. You can also use the quit kid space to quit this mode, of course by using the password, and that's it. So everything goes smoothly. Let's go for the next trick. So let me show you the 3-finger split screen. So let's use here settings, scroll down, choose app split screen, and let's make sure that you've got enabled this feature. And now all you need to do is just swipe up with 3 fingers to split the screen. That's it. Now if you would like to go back, let's swipe up again. Sorry, you need to swipe up again. Let me show you, and that's it. Now let's go for the next trick. So let me show you the screenshot with 3 fingers. So you need to also use the smart and convenient options. Let's choose here gesture and motions, and let's make sure that you've got 3-finger screenshot enabled. Now all you need to do is just swipe down with 3 fingers and you just take a screenshot. Let me show you again. Let's swipe down. Here you can also use the long screenshot if you would like to. And you can also, for example, here enable raise to turn on screen. Let's go back, and here you can also use the last trick, the navigation keys. Let me tap it, and you can here let's choose the virtual key navigation layout, and you can also here swipe up to use the following navigations rules. Here you can swipe up to go back, you can swipe up to go home, and you can also swipe up to pause to view the recent tasks. That's it. If you would like to use the virtual key navigation, let's just use this first option. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.